Hello everyone, it's Leigh here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the last few days of July Junk Journal Challenge. So this is my challenge that I'm hosting during the month of July on the weekday. So 23 prompts. This is a really easy challenge. It's no stress, no rules, no timeline. Just do it as you want. And the hashtag is JJJC2025. So that'll work for you on YouTube, of course, and on Instagram, and also on Facebook. And there is a Facebook group that you can join. You can add your creations into the Facebook group. You just got to join it. Doesn't cost you anything though. Today's prompt is antique pattern. I found this awesome image in a book about antiques, and it looks like a rug, but it's not. It is a painting or a piece of art of some sort. So that is what I'm going to use as my focal point, or part of my focal point. This dates back to the 16th century, so it's 500 years old, or up to 500 years old. So definitely qualifies as an antique pattern. I've got these adorable little old ladies that were they were sitting together on a step. There was 3 of them, and I've cut them all out. And I want to place a couple of them on top of that image of the antique pattern. So I'm just working out where I want to put things and what I want to add in there, just pulling from my little stash. But I've decided to keep this relatively simple, and I'm just going to glue down my circle. I'll call it a circle. I'm going to glue down my ancient circle pattern. Every time I go to mention it, I can't think what to call it. If you've been following along, I do really hope that you've enjoyed the videos and that you've had a chance to check out some of the other creations that are available to see on YouTube. In the playlist under the hashtag JJJC2025, you can find over 600 videos, and I'm just blown away that there's so many people who have played along with me during this month. So I'm so grateful, and the work is amazing, and I wish I had time to sit down and watch every single one of them, but I haven't. I'd be up all day, every day, watching videos. So I'd like to encourage you to have a look and show them a little bit of love. Give them a thumbs up, leave a comment. Well, this one's about as simple as you can get. It's a collage pretty much, and it serves no function. It's just a delight to look at instead of being a functional thing. I just love those little old ladies. I've had the image out of that book for so many years. It's been in my stash, and I am so happy that I finally got to use it, even though I have broken the party up and one of the ladies has had to be excluded. I still love these ones together. So I'm just making my label up. I have glued it onto a piece of book margin, and I'll stick it down the bottom, and then I've got something that I want to write up the top. Okay, that's it. That's done. What I've written up the top makes the page, I think, and conveys a message that you can see in the illustration. So we should treasure the times that we get to just chat about nothing with our friends. They're few and far between sometimes. Just enjoy them. So that is Antique Pattern. The next one we're doing is Ticket. So I do hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up. Would you like to leave me a comment? And if you're not able to make a comment, would you be able to just leave a heart or a smiley face or a flower or a thumbs up, something in the comment section. And don't forget to check out the hashtag. We'll see you tomorrow for Ticket. In the meantime, have fun in your crafting room. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!